Good morning, class 6. Welcome to Holy Christ classroom. From today onwards, I will take your chemistry and biology classes. Hope all of you are well and your family also. I will start the first chapter, but before it, I will say something about biology. What is biology? Biology is a Greek word. It was first coined by scientist Aristotle. Bio means life and logy means study. So study about living things, that is known as biology. It has three branches: botany, zoology and physiology. What is botany? The branch of biology that deals with plant, that is botany. The branch of biology that deals with animals, that is zoology. And the branch of biology that deals with human being, that is physiology. Let's start the first chapter, leaves. Plants are living things and they are consist of many parts: root, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. And each part have different function. Root absorb the water and minerals from the soil for the plant. Stem carry the water throughout the body parts. Leaves prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Flowers grow into fruit, and fruits that transfer into a new plant. Let's start the chapter. The external structure of leaf. What is leaf? The thin, broad, flattened, green part of plant, that is known as leaf. In case of different plants, the shape and size are different of leaves, but their properties are same. Basically, leaves are consist of two parts: lamina and midribs. Leaves attach with stem by a thin branch, that is known as petiole. Thin branch, that is petiole. But what is lamina? The marginal edge of green leaves, that is lamina or leaf blade. Same way, in between the leaves, in the center, there is midrib. It is divided into small branches. These are veins. Again, veins are divided into veinlets. They carry the water and carry out the food. These are prepared in the leaves. And also vein help to provide the proper shape of leaves. Next, what are stomata? Stomatas are tiny pores. These are situated in both surface of leaves, upper surface and lower surface. They have great role because they help to exchange of gases and they allow to pass the excess water by the process of transpiration. Last one is chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? You all know chlorophylls are green pigment that are situated in the leaves. That's why leaves are green in color. Basically, chlorophyll helps to trap the solar energy and they divert it into ATP. ATP is the basic chemical of photosynthesis. In this way, green plant make their food. I have discussed many things in the introductory class. For today, that's all.